A stop sign violation in Boynton Beach, Florida, escalated into 2 arrests and a loaded firearm discovery, all rooted in legal misconceptions.
Do what you gotta do, cause tell me why you pull me over.
Listen,
So you can hit people?
That makes that card. What is his problem with me? Why does he have to touch me?
it's on 15 court now. Final is on 15 court. Florida tag Papa Charlie Bravo November 6-2 PCB N62. Great Infinity.
Bravo 525194 300 Northeast 15 court. From the city show.
Hey, what are you doing? Stay in the vehicle. You're being pulled over. It's a traffic stop.
You saying for what? I'm giving your answer. License, registration, insurance?
What you pull me over for?
License, provide me your license. Provide me your license and I'll tell you exactly why.
Provide
me your license, I'll tell you exactly why.
You have to tell me why you pull me over.
Provide me your license, I'll tell you exactly why.
What you pull me over for?
Provide me your driver's license
Tell me
and
why
I'll
you
tell
pull
you
me over
exactly
and
why.
I'll give you my license.
Provide me your driver's license. You're not doing that?
No.
You're not doing that?
You heard what I said. I'm not doing that.
Ma'am, I'm gonna ask you one more time. Okay?
Tell me why you pull me over.
Identify yourself.
My name is Whitney Pando. Tell me
Do
why
you
you
have
pull
a
me
driver's
over.
license, ma'am?
Tell me why you pull me over.
License, please.
Please tell me why you pull me over.
License, please.
Tell me why you pull me over.
License, ma'am. I'm gonna have to do.
That's
Listen,
Do what you gotta do,
hold
cause
on.
tell me why you pull me
fine.
over.
Listen, okay.
That's fine. She's home.
Do you?
Like,
what's
I'm
the
asking you one more
Do you, big
time.
boy?
Ma'am, do you have your driver's
problem?
license?
Do you,
You
big
have your
boy?
driver's license?
Do you, big boy?
She's
Okay.
home. She has a driver's license.
Do you, big boy? Why you arresting me?
Because you're not identifying yourself.
My name's Whitney Pando. Let me go.
Don't pull away from
You
me,
don't
okay?
have to touch her like
Ma'am,
that, sir.
back away.
Why do I have to back up?
Back away.
Why?
Because you directed my
Why?
attention, ma'am. Back away.
Why? I'm not
Back away.
touching
Don't fight
you.
real
I'm not
crime.
touching you,
You
and look how
have
you're
nothing-
touching
you have
her.
nothing serious to do. Let me go,
Yo,
bro.
relax,
Chill.
relax,
Let me go.
relax,
Let me
relax,
go.
relax,
Let me go.
relax.
Look what you're doing,
Ma'am,
sir.
relax.
Look what you're
Stop.
doing.
Stop.
That's what you get paid for.
Let me go.
Ma'am, I'm
That's what
telling
you
you,
get paid
stop.
for,
And I
sir.
said, let me go.
Ma'am,
That's what you get
stop.
paid for, sir. What did she do?
Stop.
When you get pulled, the police tells you what you did. So what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? What did she do? What did she do?
You feel like you got power?
What did she
Like
do?
that stroke your ego.
Excuse me, sir. What did she
You
do?
want to send me more units, please?
What did
That's
she
stroke your ego.
do? What did she do?
That
What did
stroke
she do,
your ego.
sir?
Unit 51.
That make you feel good,
15
Dickens?
court.
Cause she's home. What did she do, sir?
That make you feel good.
What did you do? What did she do, sir?
Fight real crime.
For her to get
Do
pulled.
something serious.
What did she do, sir? Oh my
Hey,
God!
hey!
Don't you?
You're under arrest too.
You just hit me.
You're under arrest too.
You just hit
Let her
me.
You're under arrest too.
Hey!
Hey!
Why are you hitting me?
Hey! Hey!
Northeast 15 court.
Hey!
Why are you hitting
You're under
me?
arrest too.
For what? What am I under arrest
Obstruction.
for?
Obstruction.
Are you serious? He just arrested me for nothing.
He just hit her and dragged her and put her to the floor.
Let go of me, sir. Cause
Relax.
I have nothing to do, and you broke my nail.
Relax.
What's the matter? He's not answering nobody, and he just hit me.
Relax.
So you can hit people? You can hit people, sir?
You like you in uniform because I would spit right
You can hit people,
Do
sir?
what you must.
You can hit
Do what you
people,
must.
sir?
here.
You can hit people? As a police officer for no reason, because I wasn't even here. You can hit people?
Northeast
Let
15
me
court.
go.
15 court.
Now tell me why you pulled me over.
Sir, he literally hit me, and I know you
Come on,
don't do
man.
that.
Come on.
Go.
And I wasn't even the person he pulled
Hey,
over, so
10,
he
15,
hit me.
two.
Why did you pull me
He hit
over?
me.
Let's go.
Why did you pull me over?
Let's go.
I'm not going nowhere, man. So you still ain't telling me why you pulled me over. Let me go.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
What the f is your problem? You still can't tell me why you pulled me over. What? I make your dick hard or something? Let me go.
Hey,
He
can I
can't
put in
tell
your
me why
car?
he pulled me over.
Alright.
He can't tell me. You didn't even read me my Miranda rights. Got me? Oh, y'all being written up. Boynton PD. Don't touch me. I want a woman to touch me. Don't touch me. Goofy.
Listen, if I ask for your information, you provide me your information.
Okay, you didn't tell me why you pulled me over.
asked
If
for
I
your
asked you why you
information.
pulled me over, you tell me why you pulled me over. Did
That's
you read
it.
me my Miranda rights
I
when
don't
you put?
need to.
Yes, you. That's the law.
No.
What's wrong with you? It's okay though. I'll be at Boynton PD tomorrow. Jiggins.
It's Jennings.
Don't give a what it is. I don't want to respect you. You ain't nobody to respect.
You ain't got to.
Okay, so why you talking to me?
You talking to me.
All right, cool. Why you pull me? Why you pull me over?
For a traffic violation.
What is it?
Stop sign.
Stop sign? Where's the stop sign? What stop sign did I miss?
Back there.
So why you didn't pull me back there?
Because I was catching up to you.
Okay.
Oh, 319.
Back up for a traffic stop.
Under Florida statute, section 322.15, a driver must produce their license upon demand. No condition requires the officer to state the reason first. The Supreme Court confirmed in Hebel versus 6th Judicial District of Nevada that stop and identify statutes are constitutionally valid. The refusal here was a statutory violation, not a rights assertion. Physical restraint is governed by Graham versus Connor. Force is assessed from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. 8 refused commands. An active pulling away satisfy that threshold.
Yeah.
That makes that card. That's what it does. Let me go, bro. Yeah, I got old enough.
What the hell was that?
I'm 22. Get these cuffs off of me, bro. And he dragged my girlfriend, he put her on the floor. Does that make his card? I just got off of work. Let me go, bro. Okay, let me, she can search me. Let me go. What is his problem with me? Why does he have to touch me? Okay, but can you tell me why does he have to touch me if she's searching me?
You stop pulling away, then he'll pull you over.
Let me go.
Turn around.
Face
Fuck.
for me.
Thank you.
Lean against the car for me, alright? Do you have anything on me that's gonna stick me?
There's nothing on
No,
me.
you have nothing on you?
Well, if you have any other comments, you can cancel.
Do better, bro. Go fight real crime.
Face the car for me.
Private 2 on copy.
Go fight real crime. Do better.
Yeah, man.
Do better. I can't believe you guys just stopped me. I'll be at Boynton PD tomorrow.
Simple. 2320.
Got 8 fucking police officers at my house. Cause I put in at my house for a traffic stop. Then you wanna grab my girlfriend and bring her to the floor? For a traffic stop? Be fucking for real. Do better. Do better. Do better. All of y'all, do better. Go fight real crime.
Charlie Bravo, November 62. BCB and 62.
I don't want to talk. I don't feel comfortable.
I didn't get any of her information yet. I didn't get none of the information. You're under arrest for obstruction, okay?
Obstruction of
Because you were way
what?
too close to my traffic stop. You walked to my traffic stop.
I was
told you to back
far
up.
enough, sir,
The phone
where
was
you could
close
take
to
2
me.
steps away from me.
You shouldn't have been that close to me.
I was far enough for that. So that means
The woman's uncle arrives on scene and the officer tries to explain the situation.
I'm doing a traffic stop. The young lady operating this motor vehicle ran a stop sign, okay? Doing an illegal traffic stop. She just up the vehicle. She says, oh, why you stop me? Why you stop me? Why you stop me? I said, identification, license, registration, insurance. She did not want to provide license, registration. She said, tell me first. I said, hey, provide me information. I'll tell you exactly why I stopped you.
That's her mom on the phone.
She refused to provide the information. Next time this lady comes up within this close to me, I said, ma'am, back up. You're redirecting my attention from this young lady right here. She continued, the one with the white tank top. She continued to stay there and record in this close proximity, okay? The first one got arrested, and she's being under arrest too.
For what?
Obstruction.
Obstruction.
The 11th Circuit in Smith versus City of Cumming protects the right to film police in public. However, Florida, section 843.02, makes proximity-based obstruction a separate question. Distance, not intent, determines whether recording becomes obstruction. Miranda v. Arizona applies before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, affecting a detention is not interrogation. The arrest stands regardless of when or whether Miranda is read. A loaded firearm in the vehicle without a valid concealed carry license constitutes a third-degree felony under Florida Section 790.01 up to 5 years. The initial license refusal may ultimately carry felony-level consequences. Outcome: Whitney Pando charged with resisting without violence under Section 843.02, up to 1 year, 12 months probation, $1,000 fine. Concealed weapons charge status unknown at time of analysis.
2324.
Tow? You got a tow coming?
Yeah, I call for the tow. I got a 0 right here.
You got a
Just
zero
signal
right here?
14. For units responding to Arthur Court, males advising no females breaking a windshield with an object.
Okay. It's probably that one. Is it a Ruger? That thing's open.
I'm not really sure. I didn't pull up the thing yet.
Probably LC29. 380. Probably what's in
Is it a
there.
brick or a bat or what? I was being difficult, not responding.
I got her ID right here. Perfect.
Just grab that. Bring that with you.
Yeah. Me or competing? All right. I'll let you talk to your dad in a few, okay? Do you understand what happened?
Would I be able to have another police officer here with you, like, explain it to me?
You said what?
Would I be able to have another police officer?
No, I'm the arresting officer. I was there.
But no one else could be around?
Cause I got.
No, you can explain it to me, no problem.
Listen, you
I'm
want me to explain it?
asking somebody else to
You
come
want me to
around.
explain it? Yes or no?
You can explain it, yes.
Okay.
But can somebody else come around, because I don't feel safe.
Alright, that's fine. Well, I'm gonna listen. So, if an officer's on a traffic stop, the officer doing an investigation, you can't walk up on the officer. If you want to record, it's fine.
Yeah.
You do that from a distance,
Yeah.
not close proximity.
You remember when you went like that?
I'm sorry?
You remember when you went like that to me?
Like what?
You did this to me. Exactly when you went like that.
Okay.
I was far enough for you to go like that.
No, you
So I'm
You still
asking
can't be-
how far can I be?
sidewalk,
Sidewalk?
not within that close proximity.
Okay, did not know that.
Well, now you do.
Did you guys let us know that? Did you
sorry?
sit me on the sidewalk?
Well, I told you to step back. You're like, no, I can record. But
But
listen,
you didn't tell me to go to the sidewalk.
but listen, I got so much I'm dealing with. I deal with her, and I'm dealing with you.
That's fine.
Simply, you can record, it's fine, but it has to be from a safe distance.
Okay, no problem. If I was told to go to the sidewalk, I would went to the sidewalk.
Well, I had so much going on with her, with you.
So what happens if someone hitting you?
I'm sorry?
Will a police officer grab
Oh yeah.
you?
Yeah.
Officer can grab you for no reason?
I gave you a command to do it, a lawful command, and you refused to comply with the lawful command. Therefore, I grabbed you. I grabbed you. I told you.
Let me know to be on the sidewalk. You just told me to be back, and I was back.
No, you didn't. So
I'm
therefore,
back enough for you to go like this.
so therefore, since you were at that close proximity, right? I told you to step back, and you
How
didn't.
far am I?
You're obstructing, different place of rest. But listen, I'll let you talk to your dad in a few, okay? Because he said he would talk to you. Just check to make sure it's what that is. Okay.
I also wanted to say I apologize. I was just upset and mad.
It's alright. Just realize that things can go bad. Like I told you, Dad, I understand that you want to know what's going on. You don't know what the hell is going on. You see your friend, you see your police, so you don't know what's going on. You wanna trying to find out what's going on. But like the other officer told you, that close, I don't know you. I don't know your intentions. I don't know what you're about. I don't know. All right, you see that your friend is going wild. I understand that you want to try to calm her down. You want to calm her down.
I'm her mother. What's going on?
Who's mother?
Whitney's
The
mother.
other person.
Oh, let me say hold on. So I understand that you want to calm her down and everything, but it's like I don't know who you are. I don't know what your sins are.
Can y'all tell me what's going on? My child never been arrested before in her life. Can
Okay,
you just tell me what's going on? I can't breathe
I
right
got
now.
you. You need medical assistance? Okay. So I did a traffic stop on her, right? Immediately as I stopped the car, you guys take care. Immediately as I stopped the car, she jumps out the car, right? And then she's like, "Why are you behind me for?" I'm like, "My lights are on. This is a traffic stop." Okay. I asked for her information. She said, "Tell me why you stopped me." I said, "Ma'am, give me your license first. Give me your information. I don't know who you are." She's not willing to give her information. The next you know, this is her girlfriend or friend. Her girlfriend or friend. Well, me and her still talking and everything. And then her girlfriend or friend pulls up, got the cameras out and everything. Due to her not providing me her name, due to me not know what's going on, I go to detain her. While I went to detain her, she's like pulling away, doing this and that. The next, you know, her friend is there. Her friend gets arrested too, and then
Telling me why my babies got arrested. You're not telling me.
I just told you.
No, for what? What is her charge?
Hold
I
on. I gave you the whole story, but you're gonna know the charge is resisting arrest.
can't. What does that mean for my child?
She'll be out soon.
Is she going to gun club?
She went to gun club.
Oh my God.
Ma'am,
Why you taking that far? I know you. You're like the nicest cop I ever knew.
well, listen, and then once you watch the body worn camera footage, ma'am, then you can see exactly why.
Oh my God, I just don't get it. That shit could have went so because she was already somewhere.
Well, listen. So
She was already somewhere.
No,
She
no.
was in front of her people's home.
Exactly. The car just stopped there, but I already initiated a traffic stop.
I get it, but what I'm saying, like, you could have just killed it right there.
No, but then it's how she made it. She was like,
she said she didn't have a reason to be pulled over.
no,
What was the reason?
exactly,
What was the traffic stop?
She did not know that, and I was prepared to
What
tell her.
was the traffic stop?
Stop sign. That's it. Exactly.
It's just home, bro.
No, but she was driving. She was driving. It wasn't like I just randomly pulled up behind her. She was driving.
She said a stop sign.
The officer receives a C+. The stop and license demand were legally sound. Withholding the stop reason beyond any tactical necessity drove avoidable escalation. The obstruction arrest of the recorder carried First Amendment vulnerability. Whitney Pando receives a D+. Her premise was legally incorrect under Section 322.15. Her Miranda claim was unfounded under Berkemer, partial credit for verbal identification and nonviolent compliance. The firearm adds serious, unresolved exposure. The recording friend receives a B-. Her First Amendment right was real. Her positioning gave the officer a colorable obstruction argument. One step back eliminates the charge entirely. Lesson 1. In Florida, the license comes first, the reason follows. Lesson 2. Miranda protects against interrogation, not against arrest itself. Lesson 3. Know your rights precisely. Approximate knowledge has real consequences. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check channel Bodycam D Analysis for more police interaction and courtroom content.